Hi, my name is Maria Fernanda Ursula and my ID is 2009153382, and I am talking about industry protection. In the industry, it's easy to get multiple accidents, and to prevent damage from this, to use personal protection at work. The industry must protect their workers. Providing protective equipment and specialized personnel is required to use this within the industry in their areas of risk. Industry also has the obligation to provide knowledge and training of personal protective equipment for effective use. The protection of the eyes and face. We must select a protection that covers entire face, and eye protection is too strong for the eyes, to be sure of the risk caused by heavy particles. There are many types of helmets as welders' helmets are for protective against splashes of molten metal and radiation produced by welding operations. Types of equipment for eye protection are like glasses, anti-glare radiation energy, wear-rack, sustained head, and lessons. The protection of fingers, hands, and arms. These parts such as a finger, hands, and arms are vulnerable to injury. You need to wear protective gear such as gloves. There are many kinds of gloves. Gloves are generally recommended in rotating machinery operators because there is the possibility that is included in the rotating parts, forcing the hand of the worker inside an injury. The types of gloves are against chemical solutions, sharp objects, or from liquid solution. The protection of the feet and legs. The foot protection is clear shoe security with metal toe. Shoes must be a strong and solid construction, with a steel protection of the fingers and flat provided on the bottom. Must withstand a static load and impact load according to the test producer prescribed. There are types of shoes that reduce the possibility of static electricity produced on the user USD shoes without metal parts, spark arresters to prevent a spark from walking on a abrasive surface, and non-conductive shoes which protect the user from electrical insulation to ground. Protection against noise. The variation of sounds can reach a high level and produce unpleasant effects for our hearing and causes permanent damage over time. This is where engineering to reduce the effects of transmission through the sound barrier, such as a ear protector such as these three. Glove. It is the molded in soft rubber or hard plastic shaped to accommodate the ear canal. Part of donut are positioned on the wrist for bands across the head. They are rubber, capable of metal and rubber, especially designed to some frequency. The helmet. These are done to create a helmet with a high noise reduction capability for very high noise levels in the quarter may cover the entire mask. And the respiratory protection equipment, the last one, which are used in an industrial process that create air pollution that be hazardous to the health of workers, so are given a personal respiratory protective equipment. The respirators, chemical catchers to fall from dust, etc.